Hi, I'm Stephanie. I've been using the Manicare Sonic Mini for about 3 weeks now and it's been really good. I've been really loving it.
I've been using the Manicare Sonic Mini for about a week and I would say that I noticed a difference almost instantly.
You actually have 2 levels of vibration, so one a little bit softer and then one quite a bit harder, so that's pretty good. And then also you've got a detachable head, so if anything's yucky on it or if you just want to wash it separately, you can do that, or just grab a new one once it's kind of done.
So the tool actually uses sonic vibrations to clean deep within my pores and get rid of all those nasties.
The thing that I really love about it, it's really simple to use. Just click of a button, and combined with my my regular cleaning routine, it just helps to get off that final layer of city pollution and makeup that may have been missed.
So when I first started using it, I really noticed a difference in the size of my pores and then how gentle it was on my skin, and just felt really soft. My skin felt really soft after using it.
Also, the really great thing with it, it's lightweight, it's compact, I can bring it anywhere with me last minute, and it comes with a little portable cord so I can charge it on the go.
I even love the fact that it's water resistant. I can just even use it in the shower, which is great.